Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mumbai Karboy. Yes, today is a very saddening day for me. Yes, you've known that I've been to Mumbai. It's been a week and it's very hard to leave Thor and Hali back again in Mumbai and go back to Goa. I know most of you might be saying that I should be privileged to be working in Goa. Yes, I am, but when family is back home, it's a little emotional. It gets emotional at times. You miss your mom's food, you miss someone cleaning after you, you have to do all your jobs on your own. Well, this has been a beautiful week that I spent in Goa, thanks to a lot of people who actually made my day, who had the time to actually come and meet me. Especially thank Kirti and Prajwal for the beautiful wedding that I enjoyed. Salim, Sagar, I'm sorry, Satya, thank you so much. I would also like to thank Haresh for coming and giving me this beautiful t-shirt that you can see. It says Rumble Brothers. It's by the Rumble Brothers. The love that they have for me always. Of course, I miss riding with them as well. Well, this is my journey to Goa from Bombay. Yes, I have a flight at 9:15, but I need to make sure that I'm on the airport at least by 6:30, only to make sure that I do all the security check and everything, because it's an international airport, and being on time actually will save my headache of actually making it to the gate on time. So see you then. There's the Ola guy. So we have Anil putting the bags inside. Anil, पीछे डाल, पीछे डाल. इसको खोलने बोल. 6207. Hello. So it's been a long time I've used Ola in Mumbai. So it's now my ride to the international airport. So, bye-bye. So hey guys, yes, we are actually now in the Ola. We have Azam, who's actually come to take us to the airport. And yes, Anil, behind Anil is actually associated with me for a long time. He's been my staff. You've not seen him in many vlogs, but he's always been there back end to help me with set up restaurants that I've done. So yes, this is the final journey towards the airport. The Ola was on time, so I'm thankful to Azam to actually come on time, because I want to be at the airport at least by 6:30 to get away from all the chaos. Like, as all of you know, during COVID this will happen. Yes, enjoy this virtual journey with me to the airport, and just a few hours in Mumbai. So yes, we are finally made it to the airport. It's 6:32. We are on time, and that's the airport there for you. So yes, entering the peacock's feathers kind of a design of the airport. We can't wait for a long time. We just need to see where AirAsia is and put it one side. Aage jana, darling. जाना डार्लिंग, मेरा बैग किधर है? निकाल, चल आगे बैठ. So bye Anil.
Bye Ransa.
चलो, I'll see you in Goa.
हाँ ठीक है, मैं आता हूँ पक्का. ठीक है,
चलो.
ओके.
Nazim, bye bye. Take care. चलो take care. So this is the reason I came early. You can see the line. Yeah, that is because of COVID. Everything is slow and steady. So it's time now to do the security check. So yes, security check is on. You can see it right there. And my gate number is 87B. So I had an issue with the UDG stand, but it was fine, and now we're putting things back again. So the international airport has completely changed now. If you see behind me as well, there are a lot of stalls, a lot of eatery. The food court is huge. We have Hamleys, Toy Store, Chroma. Everything is at the airport now. It's not like before where it used to be limited. Oh my God! You also have this flight module that I had actually done long time back. It is also over here. And yes, a lot of things that you could do at the airport when you're waiting like me. When your flight is at 9 o'clock and you're already at the airport at 7:05, there's a lot that you can do. Well, waiting is another patience that you need to have. Well, I take back a few memories with me on the small trip in Mumbai. Yes, Thor has not been keeping well. I hope Thor gets well, fine. Hali is the same with her masti and stuff. My parents are all good. I'm going to miss Mumbai because yes, Mumbai is a place where actually I have a lot of connect, where most of my work happens with regards to the guard that I just got for my new Activa. I've also thought of a name for my new Activa that I'm going to get once I be back in Mumbai, in Goa. I'm going to name her Scorpion. So that's basically because that's the reason the theme is entirely black. Even the crash guards that I've got are completely black, so they're powder coated as well, and that's what I'm going to install. That's basically what I've sent through bus to Goa. That should also reach tomorrow. Well, I'll reach tonight itself, but yes, nevertheless, work is also waiting for me. So once I land into Goa, my first destination is going to be work. So I'm going to be at work as soon as I land in Goa. Well, just a few little things that I'm updating on the laptop at the moment. As you can see, the new MacBook, I have not named her anything, but of course I love red. That's the reason it's all red. But of course you can see Salim over there. And let's go and see my channel. That's Mumbaikar Boy channel. Well, yes, do a little bit of time pass right now, and then I'm going to wait because 8:20 is when the basically boarding will start of my flight. Till then, stay tuned, have fun, enjoy a little craziness that I do on the airport. For a minute I thought that was my flight, but unfortunately that was not my flight. I'm still waiting for my flight. The boarding will start at 9:30. Till then I've got something very expensive at the airport. So this can of Fanta costed me $100. This costed me 30 rupees from the vending machine. Now the vending machine didn't have change, could not accept change, so I had to buy the Kit Kat, which is this bugger in the vending machine was 25 bucks, and at the counter he sold it for 100 bucks. Can you imagine? So this is the difference. So always carry change. A very good learning lessons. So while you were watching the time lapse, you were enjoying the time lapse, I had actually a call. You might have seen that happening. Yes, that was call from AirAsia technical support team saying that the flights have been delayed and we are sorry for the inconvenience. I want to ask them one question. Don't you think you should ask them this question as well? Why do they not hold flights when we are delayed? Once I missed my flight because I was delayed due to traffic. So that time nobody actually held responsible, and I lost my ticket and I had to actually book another flight, at that spur of the moment, because it was an urgent destination that I had to reach. But in this cases, how do we get compensated? Should they pay for my Kit Kat? Should they pay for my Fanta? Should they pay for my Parle? What do you think? Don't you think that? So yes, this wait has actually been fruitful at the moment, because guess who I've caught? We have the man. Who? Me. So yes, that's Nick. Nick is here. He's basically Nick. Tell them a small story about what happened. Why I was here at 6:30 and this burger came at 8 o'clock. So it's all luck.
Not even 8, dude. I reached here at 9 for a 9:05 flight. I was about to miss it. Then that's when I realized the flight is delayed.
Oh my god, lucky person. So he's just came. He booked the flight at 8 o'clock, and I have booked the flight 3 weeks or something ahead. And this guy is so lucky that the flight has been delayed. I think he has some connection with the pilot, because that's very lucky.
I told him to delay it. It's not luck.
So that's Nick for you guys. That's he's going to be on the same flight with me. Of course, anything for the viewers, Nick, that you want to say?
Just like always be late when you're traveling.
That's a nice one. We'll see you on the flight, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Goa Airport. For your safety, please remain seated. The use of mobile phone is not permitted. Please take care while opening the overhead compartment.
So I finally made it to Goa. Yes, the flight was delayed, it was boring, but finally I'm back to Goa, back to the grind, and it's going to have some fun being in Goa, of course. I'm waiting for Arvind is waiting for me outside, so I'm actually waiting to see Arvind, because he's waiting there for approximately 1 hour to catch me. So see you outside the airport. So I have a very important person come to pick me up. It is none other than Arvind. You might have seen him in the first vlog. It's right there. See, Arvind is right there. कितने बजे आया तू? 10:30. I sorry, 10:30 से इधर कहाँ दे रहा तू? He's here from 10:30, but what to do? But तू 10 बजे निकलने बोला था ना तेरे को? Okay, he's been waiting for me from past 2 hours. Yes, we have finally made it to Goa, and it's time to actually go to the restaurant. So we are on our way right now to the outlet. Of course, I want to see the outlet. That is what I want to do first. And Arvind is on the bike. He's been waiting for 2 hours, as I said earlier as well. And yes, if it was not for him, I would have been fucking stuck at the airport only. And catch you at the outlet soon.